Good afternoon, students. Discuss continues the class of locus. Next problem, A 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4 are two given points. Are two given points. Find the equation of locus. Equation of the locus of P, so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. PAB is 8.5. Very important question in 4 marks. Very important question in 4 marks. First, A 2, 3, B minus 3, 4 are given points. What is the question? A and B are given points. Find the equation of the locus of P. Find the equation of the locus of the. What is the condition? So that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. Condition, given condition, what is nothing but area of the triangle is PAB is 8.5. What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle? Suppose that A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3 are three given points. Then the area of the triangle ABC is equal to, already we know that 10th class, half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, x3 into y1 minus y2. First, given, what is the given points? A 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4. Let P x1, y1 be any point on the locus. On the locus. First, let A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Then the area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula of the area of the triangle. Already we know that the discussed the 10th class coordinate geometry, the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Show that the points are collinears. What is the condition of the collinears? The area of the triangle is equal to 0. The points are collinears. Use the formula. What is the formula? Half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Already another formula of half into mod of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is also use the another formula. discuss the straight lines. Discuss the straight lines. First, here the area of the triangle PAB is equal to, what is the formula? This is considered as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This is the considered as, first point is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 is equal to 1 by 2 into x1. What is the x1? x1 into y2 minus y3. What is the y2? 3 minus y3 is equal to 4 plus x2 into, what is the formula? y3 minus y1. What is the y3? 4. y1 nothing but y1. Next, plus x3 is equal to, x2 nothing but, what is the value of x2? 2. Next, what is the value of x3? Minus 3 into, next, what is the y1 minus y2? y1 is equal to y1. y2 is equal to minus 3 is equal to, what is the area of the triangle? 8.5 units. Is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into 3 minus 4, how much? Minus 1. Next, 2 4 ja 8. Next, 2 into y1 nothing but minus 2y1. Next, minus 3 into y1 nothing but minus 3y1. Minus into minus plus 9 is equal to 8.5 is equal to minus x1. Next, minus 2y1 minus 3y1 minus 5y1. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 is equal to 8.5 into 2. 1 by 2 goes to right side. It is the product of 8.5. The common the minus x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to 8.5 into 2. 2 5 ja 10. 2 8 ja 16 plus 1. 7.0. Nothing but mod of nothing but negative is positive. x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to 17. x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to plus or minus 17. The mod is the take the plus or minus. Mod తీసేస్తే వస్తుంది plus or minus. First, x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to 17. x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to 17 minus 17. Minus 17 is the cancel. x1 plus 5y1 minus plus 17 goes to left side. Minus 17 minus 34 is equal to 0. x1 plus 5 y1 is equal to 0. Hence the equation of the locus is x plus 5y minus 34 into x plus 5y is equal to 0. This is the important problem for 4 marks. What is the A? 2, 3, B minus 3, 4 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. Consider the, what is the area? 8.5 square units. First given points, what is the given points? A 2, 3, B minus 3, 4. A 2, 3, B minus 3, 4. 4. And let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then the area of the triangle ABC is, what is the formula already? Coordinate geometry of the 10th class. Half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. The area of the triangle PAB is equal to half into, now consider the x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 comma y2 is 2 comma 3, x3 comma y3 is minus 3 comma 4, x1 into y2 minus y3, y2 is 3, y3 is equal to 4 plus x2 is equal to x2 nothing but 2 into y3, y3 nothing but 4 minus y1 plus minus 3 into y1 minus y1 is equal to y1. Next y2 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 8.5 is equal to half into 3 minus 4 nothing but minus 1, x1 into minus 1, 2 4 ja 8, 2 into y1, 2 y1, 2 3 ja, next 3 into y1, 3 y1 minus into minus plus 3 3 ja 9 is equal to 8.5 minus x1 into minus 1 minus x1 minus 2y1 minus 3y1 minus 5y1 8 plus 9 17 8.5 into 2 how much 17 minus is the common x1 plus 5y1 minus 17 is equal to 17.0 mod is the minus is plus or minus take the plus or minus one side plus one side minus 17 is the cancel, hence the equation of the locus x plus 5y minus 34 into x plus 5y is equal to 0. This is the important problem for 4 marks in the locus. Next question. Find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A 1 comma 1 and B minus 2 comma 3. Find the equation of the locus of point which forms a triangle. ఏమన్నాడు? The locus of points, ఆ పాయింట్స్ ఏం ఫామ్ చేస్తే అన్నాడు? ట్రయాంగిల్ అన్నాడు. ద ఏరియా ఏమని ఇచ్చిండు? 2 యూనిట్స్ అని ఇచ్చిండు. విత్ ద పాయింట్స్ ఏమని ఇచ్చిండు? ఏ కామా బి అని ఇచ్చిండు. ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ ఏ 1 comma 1 and B minus 2 comma 3. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus. Next, let A x1 comma y1 and comma B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then the area of the triangle area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. The area of the triangle now, area of the triangle PAB is 2, that is half into. Now consider this is the x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Consider the x1 y. What is the x1? x1 y2 minus y3. Formula for y2 minus y3. y2 is equal to 1, y3 is equal to minus 3. Plus x2 is equal to how much? 1. y3 minus y1. y3 is equal to 3. y1 is the y1. Plus x3 is equal to how much? Plus into minus, minus 2. y1 is the y1. y2 is equal to 1. Is equal to 2. Is equal to half into x1 into 1 minus 3 how much? Minus 2. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into y1, y1. Minus 2 into y1, minus 2 y1. Minus into minus, plus 2 is equal to 2. x1 into minus 2, minus 2x1. Minus y1, minus 2y1, minus 3y1. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 2 into 2, 4. Minus is the common. 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to 4. Mod of minus is equal to positive always. 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to 4. Mod is 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 4. Now 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to 4. 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4, which implies 2x1 plus 3y1 plus 4 goes to left side, minus 4, minus 9 is equal to 0. 2x1 plus 3y1 plus 4, minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence the locus of the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0.